Good afternoon, my friends. Hi, this is Raj here. Hope everybody is having a very fine and fantastic trading. Okay, let's check out how I trade. I have a very simple rule. My thumb rule is may whatever happen, if I get a arrow and my bbmacd isn't confirming it, I won't go for the trade. Okay, thumb rule. Now let's see, why should we enter a trade? Okay, I always trade on the first dot and just wait for its high to cross with the bbmacd opening on the positive side. As we see here, we got a confirmation here, but as we see here, we are in a sell zone below 0.00 line in both the MACDs here. So what we would consider is, although we got a trade here on the first dot, then we would make our exit very quick, like say for 5 to 7 pips above the high of the master candle. I call this a master candle. Each and every candle which has an arrow, I call it a master candle. Okay, so now let's see, we would have gone for the sell here. No, as we made out of this trade right here, right on this candle, as we were in the sell zone. Now let's find out whether we would have gone for a sell or not here. No, again no, again yes. As we are in a sell zone, then I would wait for 10 pips to happen below the low of this candle. Okay, then again we took this trade in a sell, then again we got an buy arrow, but it didn't cross the STDV line and we were in a sell zone. Okay, again we see here, I don't use stop loss. First of all, I want to clear one thing, I never use a stop loss. Again I would have made a trade here, again a re-entry. One trade is on, second trade will also come here, and as you can see, what I would do was, again same rule, below the low I would sell again with 10 pips, with 10 pips, with 10 pips. And the rule to stop the sell is, whenever I get such a candle which does an opposite opening, like it was a sell here on my first dot and I got a sell here, then I would close all my trades, this one as well as this one, both the trades. I would close both of them and again wait for a re-entry. So all our trades right now are closed. Now again, this is the first dot, but we didn't get the clearance from the below MACD, so we will wait again. Again we got it, but we didn't get a sell here because this is above MACD, but all together we are in a sell zone. Again let's see what happens. We got a buy trade here, but the below MACD is below STDV line, so we will wait here. Again we got a second dot sell. See, we got a second dot sell, but the MACD, the above MACD dot is above STDV line, so we will wait here. Again we got this thing, a dot above STDV line. Yeah, here we got the clearance. So as we are in a sell zone, we would wait for this to cross below the low for 10 pips. So let's see, we got a 10 pip or not. Yeah, we got 14 pips, but we would be out in 10 pips. But we would rather not take this trade, as we got this candle, the same next candle, in a opposite direction. Again, we see here we got it in opposite direction. So this is not a very perfect sell. For a sell to appear, we need second candle to break the low, and it should be same. Close should be below the open. Okay. Now we go here. We got a buy trade on our first dot. Very good. Now we would wait here for next candle to break the high of this candle. Okay. Yeah, it broke, and we will take the trade. Okay. For 5 to 7 pips, as we are in a sell zone. Okay. So let's see, we got or not. Yeah, we got. Five pips exactly. Okay. So this is my very basic system. What I meant to explain was, and right now I'm in a sell trade, as I got a sell on my first dot. So I immediately entered below this low. Here I entered the low, but I am very cautious, as I didn't get the proper sell candle here on the next one. So I can make a job of 5 to 7 pips. Okay friends, I hope I made my point clear. I never use a stop loss. I always see the zones, and I always see STDV line, whether the dot is above or below that, and this is my basic system. How I trade, as I have an advanced mode also in this, which I follow very much. So always be firm, trade well, and hope to see you everybody soon. Bye bye. See you all. Happy pips.